Hey guys, Linda Weir with Orlando Microgreens, and today we're going to make a really easy microgreen salad. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so today we're going to make a microgreen salad from some of the microgreens that I have growing. What I've chose today is the peas that we've been growing. Amazing on salads, with salads, to make a salad out of. And then my favorite, the broccoli. Broccoli just hands down, and taste, nutrients, my favorite. So I also have it's a half a cup of cucumbers diced, and then also red onion diced, a quarter cup, and then half a cup of shredded carrots. I got some goat cheese crumbles, and a homemade, I made my own vinaigrette dressing, and I'll leave in the notes how I made the dressing. Really easy, and I'll show it in a clip as well. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna grab my scissors, start cutting away, fill my bowl, and let's get this salad on the way. You don't even have to wash these. We just grow them in water. There's nothing added to them, so we don't have to wash any of this. And this right here will feed about three adults. No, I'm sorry, two. Two. And this is a 5x5 container that we grow these in. I'm just gonna cut them and lay them down. Make it look pretty. Next, the broccoli. And you wanna cut as close to the base as you can without gathering any of your medium. And I just pinch as I go and cut, pinch and cut, so I can just grab a line. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. Delicious. Delicious, healthy microgreen salad with peas, broccoli, sweet shredded carrots, cucumber, red onion, goat cheese. And for my family that's watching what I'm eating, I am not going to eat the goat cheese, just so you know. It's part of the video. Although Lord knows I wish I could. It's like one of my favorites. Okay. So I've got my broccoli and everything cut, put in the bowl. Okay, so I got my greens in the bowl. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my half cup of shredded carrots, toss it up. Yum, making a mess, but it's gonna be the best mess ever. And then I'll go ahead and toss up my cucumbers. And my favorite, some red onions. All right. Now, another good one, which I'm not eating, is gonna be the goat cheese. Basically, whatever you enjoy. All right. Now, this is the dressing I was saying earlier that I made. It contains olive oil, organic apple cider vinaigrette, some garlic powder, sea salt, and black pepper. That's all I put in it. Oh, and chunks of garlic. A cup of garlic. I love garlic. Put it in a glass container, shake it up, however you like to make your vinaigrette dressing, and then just drizzle on. No croutons for the salad, okay? All right, a healthy, pretty microgreen salad. Oh, and I know I had the peas and the broccoli laid out and everything, but I want to throw in some wasabi in here and our leeks, okay? So just a little bit of wasabi, it's hot. Make sure your scissors are really sharp. All right. Yum. Some leeks. Okay, now it's complete. A healthy, fresh microgreen salad. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoy your microgreen salad. I hope you look forward to some more recipes, how-tos with the microgreens. Stay tuned. And also, if you liked today's little snippet, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If not, don't do it. Also, ring the bell and subscribe. We want to grow, and we can't grow without you. All right, y'all have a blessed day.